use WordPress to make sites about faster EFT, and I'd like to talk about how you can easily put in videos, for example from the Healing Magic channel, into your pages on your site. There can be a number of advantages with this. Now I'm in a Swedish version of WordPress, but it'll look pretty similar, even though the language won't be the same as. So I'll create a new page here. I'm in the administration interface for WordPress. I click on Create New here, and what happens? Okay, now I'm on the interface for creating a new page, and I can sample of embedding video, and then I can put in some text about it, and then if I press this button here, looks like a film strip, I get a dialog box, and here I suggest you go to the tab that says Source in English, and when you're there you can put in pure HTML code. Now the thing is, I need the code to put in there, so I'll go to the page where I have the video that I'm looking at. I was thinking, okay, I want to put this video onto my page. I go down to Share here. I click Share. I get the possibilities. Here I get a link to the video, which is good, but embedding lets me put the video right on my page. So if I click on Embed, I get this code sample here, which is marked so I can copy it and put it in. And so I'll copy that, Control C, and then go back to my WordPress page. Aha, wait a second. Okay, there. And I paste in that code, and that will create a video there with that particular size. I can also choose other sizes before I copy that code and put it in there. But I want to show something else at the same time, and that is that if I look down here, I have some other things. Usually this will be a check mark there, and when the video is finished, you get a screen with a bunch of other small videos that could be related to this and could be quite different, actually. Depends on who's looking at it. But I usually take that away so that people don't get distracted away from my site. And I was wondering what this meant here, and I clicked on that, and I came to this page about some things you can do with the embedding code. And one thing is add captions to the embedded video, which is very interesting for us, especially in other languages. And if you have this code put on the end, it will automatically start playing up the subtitles. And if you have it with this, it will also choose which language to show. And this can be very handy. So if I copy this, mark it, and copy it, Control C, and go back to my WordPress page and go in here. It would be good if this was bigger. You should maybe make a full screen of this to see what's happening here. Here is the code for embedding the video, and you can see right here is the says src equals, and then it has the youtube.com and some other things there. And then just before this quotation mark there is where I want to put in that code that I've got. And this adds language preference. In the example, it said equals FR, which is the short two-letter symbol for French. But if I want some other language, I can put that. So Swedish would be SV, these different standard two-letter codes. And then the other part there says that I should, this should automatically show the subtitles when you start playing the film. And allow full screen is good. Okay, so I click add here, and then I get this box there that shows where it should be shown in the video, and then I just publicize this, and I can choose to look at the page, show the page up here. Okay, I see my title, I see some text about it, and then I see the video has been properly imported there, embedded in the page. And if I click on the play button on that video, it starts up, and keep my fingers crossed, see if everything works.
The most amazing thing I've ever had happen in my life, and really we all.
And I see I've got my subtitles in Swedish.
This is a situation that I'm dealing with, and dealing with it very terribly.
And them around, you can
1998.
I'm not sure what Swedish.
1998.
I'm just pointing out the text around if you'd like. You can also increase the size by pressing on plus, for example. Well, that's basically what I wanted to show. At the end, it will go back to looking like at the beginning, without going to a screen with a lot of other distracting videos. That's what I wanted to show.